she's not really that big. She's probably big for your mommy, huh? Your mommy's so little. All right. Oh, it is a girl, yes. It's officially a girl. Oh, there's Pumpkin. See how big you are. So all that swelling in her head will go down. We're at 34 for head. She's still tiny.
Well, I would say she has her eyes.
She's a lot like Mama.
Her hair.
Her hair. See all that hair? That's what we were seeing. We just wanted to see more of it. We needed to see more of it. Yeah, we needed to see more of it. 20 inches, 50 and a half for length. Okay, let's see how big you are. Let's go. See, she's not happy we pulling her out of there, are you? No. Say hi, Dada. Say hi to Daddy. Yeah.
Great.
She is gonna pop up right here for you. 6 pounds, 12.2 ounces, 3070 grams. 3070. We were pretty close. Didn't you say she was about 3,000? That's pretty close. And 20 inches, right? Alright. Let's look you over, pretty girl. 9 and 9 for Althar. She's fine. She's got 3 vessel cords. And she's mad, huh? Yes, she is. She is majorly mad. You look a lot like your mommy. Yes, you do. You look a lot like your mommy. Thank you, ma'am. Looks like she peed. No poop yet, except in your... Nope, not yet.
She's fine. Okay. She's good.
That donkey's out of there, huh? Yeah, she's a big one. Because of this delivery, she might have a little bit of mucus in her system, so she might puke up a lot of stuff. So if I just let you know, I don't want it to freak you out. Because it can be pretty frightening sometimes.
Yeah.
To see that coming out of your kid's mouth. Just saying. Yeah, you were coming down crooked. Yeah, that was your hold up. That was our hold up, and you were coming down the wrong way. You stubborn little thing. Yeah. See, but she's not that big. She's not that big. We can count. Good. Okay. Here's the feet. Your temperature probably is going to be really high too, like mine. Yeah. Here, oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Here, I get pictures of her feet. bracelets, and you guys will get one as well. She has two. This is a security puck on her other ankle there, just so we know where she is at all times.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, girl. All done.
1, 2 up there.
Ooh, it's hot under
4,
here.
5, 6. Kelly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you.
Yeah, this is yours. This matches baby. They're gonna
Okay.
ask you to read these numbers when you get downstairs to the nursery. She's
Okay.
got one on her leg and one on her arm.
All right,
And
great.
then mom will get one too, okay?
Okay.
We'll match babies, okay?
Good deal. She sounds good.
Okay.
Perfect. Check her temperature.
Hey, Allison, do you know who's coming in today?
Oops. Totally missed. Try that again.
You want guesses?
No, it's not as bad as I thought it would be. All right. 99.
What was the time at the order?
241.
2:41.
Yes.
What do we have?
You better up.
X-ray?
99.
Hey, if you want to go back and sit in that chair, I'll bring her right over to you.
Okay, thank you. She's gonna bring her over. You doing okay? Sure.